Menteri Rangba Akajala Conrad K Sangma nekasngi ulawan ban Plie paidbah ïaka Eklavya Model Residential School kabadan haka shnong Pahamsyiem kabelas dangru ban penlong ïaka kelas laneka academic session na kabentaki kena kibawan pule ha keteka school ha nekasngi nalor ka jing Plie paidbah ïaka keteka school Menteri Rangba ulawan ban bu maunong rim na kabenta ban sedangno ïaka jingte ïaka synthetic athletes track kaban sasdang hamadan jong shnong chinchona ha Pahamsyiem ha kaju kapor ulabu ru yau maunong rim na kabenta ka jingte ïaka conventional center ha ka shnong Pahamsyiem ha nekasngi laya sakilang ru da ka jingya don rangkat Menteri katanat pule puti uba lakmen rumbui Menteri uba depet ïaka kamiel eka sports uba wailat miki shela Menteri katanat ba depet ïaka CNRD uba sustain sotun MLA ka nongpo uba meral bonds ka MDC ka nongpo ka kong rona khamdej deputy commissioner ka ribhoy district Abhilash Baranwal lembat ki de ki officer habakren hakane kasngi kumukongsan Menteri Rangba Akajala Conrad K Sangma ulaong bakine ki aka barok ke ki jeng angnut bakum ka sarkar ka kwa bat kentiu hapo ka jalla khamtam hakabaide bat ki kamele kai ka pule puthi bat ki
The foundation for the synthetic athletic track. This again is a commitment that was made by us just a few months back. And it's heartening and satisfying to see that we are here laying the foundation for this particular synthetic athletic track. Friends, for us as a government, we have always stressed on ensuring that there is all-round development of our state. We don't believe in selective development. We don't believe that just because somebody didn't vote for me in my election, didn't vote for my party, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because a particular region is not my community, not my tribe, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because our faiths are different, that we will not give you the development that you deserve. During election time, yes, we have our own political parties. Because as candidate, we are working towards the people who are supporting us. But when you become chief minister, then you are chief minister for those who voted for you and chief minister for those who did not vote for you. You are chief minister of your people, your tribe, your community, and of every single person who is living in our state of Meghalaya. And therefore, if you look at our development models, we have projects going on everywhere. And I find it very amusing sometimes. Today I have inaugurated this building and inaugurated the classrooms, and I'm laying the foundation of the synthetic athletic track right here in Nongpo. I won't be surprised when somebody will comment from Garo Hills and say, oh, everything is going to Khasi Hills and nothing is coming to Garo Hills. And tomorrow when I go and lay a foundation stone in Garo Hills, then somebody from Khasi Hills will comment, oh, everything is going to Garo Hills and nothing is coming to Khasi Hills. Friends, we need to stop this divisive thought process and this divisive politics that is very, very toxic for our state. We are working for everyone. And I have made it very clear, not just through my words. I have never spoken like this. Only now I am talking in these lines. Yesterday I was with Basanbor Shulai, and you know he's a very direct speaker. So he was mentioning in his speech that our government believes in action and not in talking. But I feel sometimes we need to talk also, because we are too quiet sometimes. And therefore, friends, I urge, especially our youngsters, whether there is a project that comes up in Garo Hills, in Nongpo, in Nongstoin, in Williamnagar, in Clarion, it is our people, our state that is being developed. We are benefiting, our youngsters are benefiting. We should be proud and we should be happy. I would love to see comments that should come from Garo Hills today that should say, we feel happy for our youngsters from Nongpo area, from Ridhoy, for the academic session that has started, for the synthetic athletic track that we have laid down. And that is the kind of positivity that we'd like to see. And friends, we are not a government that believes only in foundation stone laying. Inauguration has been done. We have started the academic session today of the EMRS. It's not a foundation stone. But while we're inaugurating the academic session, we are laying a foundation stone for the synthetic track also, which also I'll assure you that we will inaugurate. We laid the foundation for the Maukunu 40,000 seater, largest football stadium in the country. The work for this has started today. Do we have a picture of that? Can you just put that picture up?